Today we will be installing the Daystar Products lower switch panel for the Jeep Wrangler JK. Set the vehicle parking brake, place the transmission in second gear, and pull the four-wheel drive lever back to neutral. Lift up the factory console. Place tape around the lower center dash panel to protect the surrounding panels. Using a trim panel tool, carefully remove the factory lower dash panel. Working from the back side of the panel, use a razor blade and cut out the switch holes. Tech tip: cut a smaller hole and use a file to adjust the hole to proper size for a snug fit and install your switch. Remove two factory clips and install them on the Daystar switch panel. Install the Daystar switch panel by putting the lower stems in first. Then align the rear clips and push until they snap into place. With the panel installed, you can now safely reposition the center console, place the transfer case shifter into two-wheel drive, put the transmission into park, and release the parking brake. Switch your electronic accessories into high gear with the Daystar JK lower switch panel.